Good morning. I'm getting ready to head out on a run because it's a beautiful morning. Hardly any wind, sunny, wearing a t-shirt, it's warm. Just wanted to send a little reminder if you're feeling stressed or anxious or even starting to, hi Jovie, welcome, or even starting to feel maybe collapse mode. Hopefully not. Don't forget the little tip of turning your head side to side and looking, gazing at the naughty beagle. Oh, she wants to be over here or over at the sun. I see up there, you can see the moon. This is not as calming as I was hoping for, but that's okay. Want to